This video I show you how to make flower lace motif. Start with 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and make slip stitch, T chain, and 30 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 30 double crochet. 1, 2, continue. The last of the first round, make slip stitch. Start the second round, make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, and 8 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and count from the first 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch. 1 slip stitch. Next stitch, 1 slip stitch. Next stitch, 1. And take this front loop, and this stitch take back loop, and slip stitch. And next stitch, make back loop only, slip stitch 1, 2, 3. I make the first back loop, slip stitch 1, 2, and 3. Next I make 11 chain like the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and repeat the same pattern like before. I finished the second round. Now I have 10 rings around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next I will change the color. I start the third round. Start with the first chain. The first stitch, make single crochet, and next half double crochet. Two times half double crochet, and make 15 double crochet in the ring. One, 2, 3, continue double crochet. I have 15 double crochet in the ring. Next, make half double crochet to a stitch. 1, 2, and next make single crochet. I finished the one pattern. And next pattern, to do the same, start with single crochet the first stitch here, 1 single crochet, repeat the same pattern. I finished the third round. Now I have 10 pattern. Next, start the fourth round. The first round, make single crochet in each stitch 9 times. The first, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and next the 10 stitch, make single crochet increase. Next, single crochet increase. Next, single crochet increase. Now I make single crochet increase 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in each stitch. The last stitch of the first pattern. Start the second pattern. Single crochet 9 times. Single crochet 9 times, and after single crochet increase 3 times. Repeat same like the first pattern. The fifth row, make pollen around here. Start with a make slip knot. Make 1 single crochet and 1 chain. Next stitch, slip stitch, 1 chain, slip stitch. Repeat the pattern around.